आरबीआई कहता है जानकार बनिए, सतर्क रहिए।
You know it's only a drill. And yet...
Hello viewers and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. Defence Minister makes statement in Parliament on India-China face-off in Tawang. Mamata Banerjee attends TMC party convention in Shillong, assures change in Meghalaya if voted to power. Meghalaya Cabinet approves grant in aid to 7 ad hoc colleges. And Argentina to lock horns with Croatia in the first semi-finals of the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. And now the news in detail. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today, in a statement in Parliament on India-China face-off in Tawang, said that on December 9, PLA troops tried to transgress the LAC in Yangtze area of Tawang sector and unilaterally change the status quo. The face-off led to a physical scuffle in which the Indian Army bravely prevented the PLA from transgressing into the Indian territory and compelled them to return to their posts. According to Singh, due to the timely intervention of the Indian military commanders, PLA soldiers went back to their locations. Following the incident, local commander in the area held a flag meeting with his counterpart on 11th December 2022 to discuss the issue in accordance with established mechanisms. West Bengal Chief Minister and Trinamool Congress chairperson Mamata Banerjee today attended a convention of the party worker here at the State Central Library, which was attended by hundreds of party workers, including senior leaders of the party like Mukul Sangma, Charles Pingro, George Lingdaw and others. Speaking on the occasion, Banerjee said that their intention is not to control Meghalaya from Kolkata, but the sons of the soil would rule Meghalaya and the party would only give advice. Asking people of the state to give TMC a chance, following which the state will see a change in terms of development. Earlier, Banerjee also met the families of the deceased who were killed in Assam police firing at Mukraw and handed over relief to them. Later, Banerjee also attended a pre-Christmas celebration in the city.
Our intention is not to capture the power. Our intention is not to control Meghalaya from Kolkata. But our intention, your son of the soil, they will take care. Only we as your sister, Abhishek as your brother, we can help you, we can advise you, we can give you the assistance.
The State Cabinet has approved grant in aid given to the 7 ad hoc colleges against a particular post, where 75% is borne by the government and 25% by the managing committee. These colleges were, however, not receiving the 5th Pay Commission. Speaking to media persons, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the 5th Pay Commission is applicable to them and hence the area amount will be cleared. The Cabinet also approved the ordinance where the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University will be renamed to Captain Williamson Sangma State University, since Meghalaya does not have a state university.
So the government has decided that after the necessary homework was done, that the 5th Pay Commission is applicable to them, and hence there is an arrear amount which needs to be cleared. So that amount will be cleared, and the Cabinet has decided that today the impact of that is about 11 crores for the last 4.5 years. So this is a long pending issue, and it has finally been cleared today. the approval of the ordinance where the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University will be changed, the name will be changed to Captain Williamson Sangma State University.
The State Cabinet today approved the amendment to the Meghalaya Health Service Rules and included the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board in its rule. This will enable MMSRB to function and conduct necessary exams and recruitment for vacancies in doctors' posts in the state. Meanwhile, the National Human Rights Commission has directed different state governments for compensation on deaths of prisoners, and based on its direction, the Cabinet has approved the compensation, which will be notified.
Amended the Meghalaya Health Service Rules and included the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board also in these rules, so that the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board can function and can conduct the necessary exams and the necessary recruitment for the vacancies of different doctors and doctors' posts in the state.
O.M. Roy Memorial Secondary School, in collaboration with Sports Authority of India on Monday, organised the Fit India School Week 2022 at MEGHALAYA. The month-long program aims at creating awareness among students and young minds to remain fit and healthy. Dignitaries present on the occasion was Mawplung MLA Eugenson Lingdaw as a chief guest, who urged the students to pursue sports as career, as it would also keep them fit and healthy. And in the FIFA World Cup 2022 in Qatar, the semi-finals will begin today. In the first match, Argentina will lock horns with Croatia at Lusail Iconic Stadium tonight. The match will begin at 12:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Tomorrow, in the second semi-final, France will take on Morocco. The final will be played on Sunday. And now here is the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 17.8 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 8.4 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 76%, while in the evening it stood at 81%. The forecast: weather is most likely to remain dry. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Defence Minister makes statement in Parliament on India-China face-off in Tawang. Mamata Banerjee attends TMC party convention in Shillong, assures change if Meghalaya is voted to power. Meghalaya Cabinet approves grant in aid to 7 ad hoc colleges. And Argentina to lock horns with Croatia in the first semi-finals of the FIFA World Cup in Qatar. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us, and from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.